So today, 25 students from George Mason universities across multiple disciplines attended a site visit at Fairfax County's Department of Health and Human Services. This was a partnership between George Mason and Fairfax County, something that we worked on since the summer, so that way students could come on site and learn about potential careers for after they graduate. We had a wonderful panel as part of the event today. We had over 6 different panelists from multiple different disciplines within the county. There was a probation officer, an epidemiologist, some social workers were represented. There was a school health nurse. And again, it was all to give the students a sense for the different roles that go into supporting the county and the different work that they do to make sure that the county residents are healthy and leading vibrant lives. It was incredibly important to have the students be able to ask questions today. They were here in front of a room full of experts, getting their unique points of view, hearing their own career stories. It's an incredibly meaningful experience to hear that no one person's journey is the same, and that's what our students learned today. We're just so thankful for this partnership. It's something that we're really hoping continues into the future. I know our students enjoy the day tremendously, and we really look forward to doing it again.